In how many different ways can 5 persons stand in a line for a group photograph? So here is a group photograph and there are 5 persons, means 5 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the 5 positions are here to be arranged. In how many different ways can 5 persons stand in a line? So let us consider the 5 persons as P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. So these are the 5 different persons and they need to be adjusted in a group photograph here, or they need to arrange themselves here for group photograph. In how many different possibilities we can arrange them? Now if any of one of the person here, say P1, then how many ways he is having a choice to stand in a position? So he can select either the first place or the second place or third place or fourth place or fifth place, or we can say this first position can be occupied. We can say that this first position can be occupied by any of the 5 persons, means 5 possibilities are there, the first position. And then for the second position, if one position is occupied, the first place here, then the remaining 4 persons are there to occupy. I mean there are 4 positions to be occupied. There are 4 possibilities we can say for the second position. And the next third one, so if 2 persons are already occupied, then the remaining only 3 possibilities, any of the 3. So 3 possibilities are there for the third position. Then if 3 persons are already occupied, then only 2 persons are left over, so they are having 2 possibilities here, fourth position. Similarly the last position can be occupied, so only 1 position is left, that is 1. Means here we have done in 5 different operations. So operation 1, so operation 1 can be done, that is in 5 different ways, because there are 5 people, 5 persons are there, so 5 ways we can do it. And operation 2, so which can be done in 4 different ways. And operation 3, so which can be done in 3 different ways. And operation 4, so which can be done in 2 ways. And operation 5, which can be done in 1 way. And like all the positions being occupied dependent on each other, so we can say that by multiplication principle of counting, fundamental principle of counting, we can write here 5 into 4 into, let me write the number of ways. Therefore total number of ways is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 5 4 is 23 is 62, 62 is 120. So 120 ways we can say. In 120 different ways, all the 5 persons can stand in a line for a group photograph. Okay. Now let us see another example.